login and registration flows. OWNID provides a seamless, web-based authentication solution that eliminates passwords. With just one button, users can authenticate effortlessly and without needing to install an app. Our solution blends seamlessly into existing forms, and works cross-OS, cross-device, and cross-domain, ensuring maximum security and a frictionless user experience. Say goodbye to tedious typing and hello to effortless login with just a tap of a button. OWNID'S wide technology stack covers any scenario. OWNID'S solution covers all scenarios right out of the box, enabling end users to connect seamlessly with your website, regardless of their device type or preference. Cross-device. OWNID'S solution allows users to access their accounts from any device, with the ideal technology for the detected device automatically set as the default cross-scenario. OWNID supports multiple authentication scenarios, including malfunctioning biometrics, users browsing on a public computer, and account recovery issues. Cross-preference. OWNID'S solution suits your users' preferences. It offers different authentication methods, in addition to device biometrics.